Step 1. Check the mute switch on the HyperX Cloud 2 USB control box. Make sure the mic mute switch is OFF. If it's on red, the mic is muted. Slide it down to unmute. Step 2. Check connections. Unplug your headset and plug it back in securely. If you're using the USB sound card, make sure it's connected properly. If you're on PC, try plugging it directly into the 3.5mm jack instead of the USB adapter to test. Step 3. Set the mic as default device PC. On Windows, right-click the speaker icon, select Sounds. Go to the Recording tab. Find HyperX Cloud 2. Right-click and set it as default device and default communication device. Speak into the mic and check if the green bars move. Step 4. Check app permissions. If you're using Discord, Zoom, or any chat app, make sure the correct microphone is selected in that app's audio settings. Also on Windows 10-11, go to Settings, Privacy, Microphone, and make sure apps are allowed to access your mic. Step 5. Update or reinstall drivers. Sometimes it's just a driver issue. Go to Device Manager, Audio Inputs and Outputs, right-click HyperX Cloud 2, and update the driver. If it still doesn't work, uninstall it, restart your PC, and let Windows reinstall automatically. Step 6. Test the mic on another device to rule out hardware issues. Plug your headset into another PC, laptop, or console. If the mic still doesn't work anywhere, the microphone itself may be faulty and you may need a replacement. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.